I am so excited to be trying these out for the very first time today because I have extremely sensitive skin, and if this goes well, these are going to be perfect for my long haul flight that I have coming up. I'm about to be on a plane for 15 hours straight, and we all know when you are flying, obviously you're dehydrated, so it means your skin is dehydrated. So this right here, this is the Deep Hydration Boost. This has your collagen and it has the Snail Mucin. These are really awesome. Obviously, you know, putting it on right now or even on a plane, these are like super slimy, so you do have to keep in mind, but that's the whole point because your face is just gonna suck up all that amazing, you know, moisture in there. And these right here, you can do overnight. I'm not a great sleeper. I toss and turn. This would end up like all over the floor, or you can put it on for like 1 to 2 hours, and that's what I am going to be doing today. I also am a huge fan of their packaging. I just think that the box is really pretty, definitely eye-catching. So these ones were sent for my review, and this has 6 of them in here. So we're gonna go ahead. I probably should have brought a mirror out here, but that's okay. We're gonna put this on. Let's see, let me grab from this side here. There we go. We just ripped this. And again, as I said, you can just see like it is gonna be super slimy, which is exactly what your face is gonna want. You know, you can do this a couple times a week, or as I said, in my case, I can't wait to wear this on the plane. Clearly my dog wants to get in on this action. This is not for you, buddy. So you got the little eye holes, we pop those out. Kind of looks like a Phantom of the Opera mask, you know? So, oh, right away, that feels good. So I have extremely sensitive skin. So I am testing this out now because I would hate to be on an airplane and have some sort of like reaction. But my face is so sensitive that if I put something on it that it does not like, within seconds, my face gets red and inflamed and it gets really itchy. So right now, oh, did I just break it? I totally broke it. See, this is why you need a mirror to do these things. I just like pulled too hard. So you just want to be a little bit gentle here. And then this is the bottom piece. I think my nails are too long. I like dug into it. So here we go. Just be a little bit more gentle than I am. Now we put this on over our mouth. Oh, that feels good. And then you just kind of want to pat that into place, and then honestly, because it's so sticky, it's gonna sit, it's gonna dry, your skin's gonna get all that fantastic moisture, and you are going to feel fantastic after. So far, so good. My skin feels great. It's not reacting. Oh, I cannot wait to bring this with me when I'm traveling. This feels wonderful.